The Atom 60% gaming keyboard boasts some impressive features for its size. This 61-key wonder packs a punch with its vibrant, customizable RGB lighting. The double-shot ABS keycaps with shine-through legends, amplified by the white backplate, create a truly immersive experience, especially in dimly lit environments. The dynamic lighting effects and integrations with popular games elevate this beyond standard RGB. The detachable USB-C braided cable is a welcome addition for portability and cable management. A 3000 Hz polling rate ensures lightning-fast response times, crucial for competitive gaming. Under the hood, the Atom uses Gatron mechanical blue clicky switches. These offer satisfying tactile feedback and audible clicks, perfect for those who enjoy that distinct clicky feel. They're also rated for 50 million keystrokes, promising durability and longevity. Whirlwind FX has also paid attention to the details, with optimized and lubricated stabilizers. This results in a smooth typing experience, free from the annoying rattle that can plague some keyboards. While the software requires a relatively modern system with AVX2 support, it offers extensive customization options for the RGB lighting. One thing to note is the use of ABS keycaps, which can become shiny over time. Overall, the Atom 60% keyboard offers a compelling combination of performance, customization, and vibrant RGB lighting in a compact package. It's a great option for gamers looking for a responsive and visually stunning keyboard without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.